Hi guys, welcome to Christ University CUET 2022 preparation. Date is been out. I hope everyone must have filled the form. If you have not yet filled the form, do fill your application form. Form filling को लेकर के video we have already made. So kindly type on YouTube Christ University step by step form filling video by Maneuver. So you will get the video. Watch that video. After then fill your application form so that you should not do any mistakes. Okay. So date is been out 18 Feb, 13 March, 3rd of April. 8th of May. 4 windows are there. So this time there will be 4 rounds. Alright. And the first round is starting from 18th of Feb. So many of the students are asking, sir, कौन सा वाला round लिखे? Feb वाला लिखे, March वाला, April और May. So guys, this is your choice. आपके preparation के हिसाब से you should take the round and start your preparation. Another concern is, sir, 12 का board है, how to balance CUET का preparation. तो एज आई मेंशन अर्लियर, मैथ्स जो आप क्राइस्ट के लिए प्रिपेयर करोगे और इंग्लिश जो प्रिपेयर करोगे वो आपके 12th बोर्ड में भी काम आने वाला है. तो एनीवे दीज टू सिलेबस यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर एंड इन बोथ द एग्जामिनेशन इट विल बी हेल्पिंग. एडिशनल होता है आपका जीके, लॉजिक एंड फाइनली अकाउंटिंग. ये आपका मॉक से कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. ओनली 10 क्वेश्चन कम्स. दिस विल बी टेकन केयर बाय मॉक टेस्ट. तो आपके मेन्यूअर पोर्टल पे देयर आर मॉक टेस्ट लॉन्च. डू राइट द मॉक टेस्ट इफ यू हैव डन विथ योर प्रिपरेशन. सो यू हैव टू क्रैक एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन क्राइस्ट का, उसके बाद माइक्रो प्रेजेंटेशन एंड पर्सनल इंटरव्यू. So all these 3 stages you have to clear, then only after then you get the selection in Christ campus, whether you are targeting for Bangalore, Pune campus, Lavasa or Delhi NCR campus. So if you have joined us for the live class or the classroom, we help you with regards to the entrance, micro presentation and interview, all the preparation. So if you have not yet joined, you can contact our team on this number. So before we proceed, let me talk about the batches Christ को लेकर के. So those who have joined earlier, Feb वाला अटेम्प्ट आप दे सकते हो, but those who are joining now, so आपके लिए अप्रैल एंड मई का अटेम्प्ट कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. आई मीन टिल देन वी विल बी कंप्लीटिंग योर सिलेबस. फैब और मार्च के लिए यू कैन ज्वाइन आवर रिकॉर्डेड वीडियोस, जिसको प्री रिकॉर्डेड सेशन बोलते हैं. आई विल फर्दर गाइड यू विद रिगार्ड्स टू दिस प्रोग्राम प्री रिकॉर्डेड को लेकर के. बट इफ यू वांट टू ज्वाइन अस फॉर द क्लासरूम कोचिंग लाइव या तो फिर क्लासरूम को लेकर, इफ यू आर मुंबई बेस्ड, दादर, बोरीवली, वसई, तो फिर अप्रैल और मई का अटेम्प्ट तक आपका सिलेबस कंप्लीट हो पाएगा. सो इफ यू आर जस्ट स्टार्टिंग योर प्रिपरेशन और सोच रहे हो कि यार फैब में ही एग्जाम लिख के क्रैक हो जाएगा, डिफिकल्ट है गाइस. कोई भी इंस्टीट्यूट अगर आपको बोलता है कि 25-30 दिन में करके क्रैक कर लोगे, तो इट इज़ डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज देयर आर पीपल हु आर प्रिपेयरिंग सिंस 1 year फॉर दिस एग्जामिनेशन. एंड ऑल्सो कॉम्पिटिशन इज वेरी हाई व्हेन इट्स कम टू द क्राइस्ट, सिम्बायोसिस, NMIMS को लेकर के ऑल दिस एग्जामिनेशन. बट आई एम नॉट सेइंग you cannot crack it. You have to give your best in the next remaining days. So if you're not Mumbai based, want to join us for the live class, you can contact our team on this number and these are the curriculum you will be getting. Okay, books are very very important because further timetable I will be giving you day wise. complete timetable मैं देने वाला हूँ आपको, वो बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होगा. कहीं पे टाइम टेबल नहीं मिलेगा आपको प्रिपरेशन को लेकर के. डू वॉच दिस वीडियो वेरी केयरफुली एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो टू ऑल योर फ्रेंड दोज हु आर टारगेटिंग फॉर क्राइस्ट और द सिम्बायोसिस सेट को लेकर, NMIMS, NPAT, IPM and other examination. So campus wise, Bangalore, Delhi and Pune is there, but ideally people target for the Bangalore campus. Just depend on your entrance score, how's your interview basically. So since the exam date is out, people are in pressure, in panicness के साथ preparation कैसे होगी. So guys, don't get demotivated, charge your battery and we will be surely cracking the Christ University entrance examination. Alright, so paper pattern wise, accounting, English, maths, reasoning, DI is there and GK is there. So maths, if you have done with, then by default you have done with your DI also. So these are the complete syllabus. 120 questions will be there. So very first, on daily basis you have to read newspaper, The Hindu or the Indian Express. You can read page 1 just to update with the current event for the current affairs, and editorial page. This is what you have to do on daily basis. After then, static GK, current affairs you have to do on daily basis. Further, grammar, all the important rules, handouts and video lectures. 100 rules PDF at Maneuver we have launched. Kindly go through all those rules because these are the rules which keep on repeating in your exam. And 1 reading comprehension on daily basis you have to solve. This is what you have to do on daily basis. Alright, so this is what the complete chart which you have to follow for your preparation. So on your Maneuver portal, all the videos are given. Pre-work section wise I'll be talking. Daily you have to touch quant or logic, GK and English. Post work, practice from your book. So from Maneuver book, 30 questions if you are practicing from all the section from each topic, that is sufficient. Along with this, test, topic test is very important. If you have joined Maneuver live class or classroom, so all these tools you will be getting complimentary. Video lectures, mock tests, books, everything will be complimentary. You don't have to buy anything separately. So speed maths, very first to work on your calculation part, followed by percentage, then profit and loss, number and letter series from the logic area, then your current affairs. So every month there are 4 videos given: week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. So 2 videos one day, another 2 video another day. So in 2 days you have to finish 1 month current affairs. Okay, I hope this is clear. Grammar rule you have to finish by taking 2 days. Based on the grammar rule, there will be question on error detection and sentence improvement, and finally sentence correction. Practice part will be there, and on weekend must write topic test, analyze the test, and revision part you have to do. This is what weekly planning you can say, or the way you want to plan it. So this timetable you can follow whether you are attempting for the Feb or March, April or May month attempt, doesn't matter, but follow this timetable. It will be very helpful for you people. Likewise, ratio, alphabet test from logic, coding decoding from logic, ages from maths, then your current affairs, okay, and English area you have to work on, idioms and phrases, practice part. So make sure you should have a sufficient resources for your practice purpose, for your test, and for learning purpose also, video lectures. And every weekend you have to work on your test, analysis and revision part without fail. If this way you will be preparing, surely you will be hitting good score undoubtedly. After then, partnership from maths, direction from logic, ranking from logic, average from maths, June month current affairs, July month, August month, English fill in the blanks, paragraph jumble questions, spell check sort of a question. After then, practice it from your book and test. This is what you have to do. So please pause the video, jot down this timetable and prepare accordingly. Whether you are Maneuver live class student, classroom student, or you are not Maneuver student, doesn't matter. Okay, after then, mixture allegation from maths, blood relation from logic, then revision, simple and compound interest from maths, August, September month current affairs, October month current affairs, then revision of English, reading comprehension. This is what we are doing on daily basis RC, but here you can again work on your RC part, close test, practice, test, analysis, revision. Likewise, your time, speed, distance, very important, linear arrangement. Then static GK, do watch all the videos and handouts from static GK, geography part and English revision. Alright, and do write the full length mock test. If you have done with half of your preparation, then do start writing the mock test. So these are the detailed timetable: geometry, mensuration, your static GK, revision part. After then, your distribution arrangement, LCM, SCF, number system. Then boosters you have to go through, guys. Once you're done with your current affairs, 2000 plus question booster we have given on your Maneuver portal. These are the very important question, and these are the most expected question in the exam. Current affairs, business GK and static also. And don't forget to write the test, analysis, revision on weekend. Likewise, booster for the static also there. Statement, assumption, argument, critical reasoning, question, and then revision part from English. And finally, your DI, table, bar chart, pie chart, line chart, CLOG from logic, permutation, combination, probability. Boosters you have to go through, English revision and test. So do write topic test plus full length test once you have done with your preparation. On weekend, topic test, and once you have done, and after 50% of your preparation, jump to the full length also. Now let me take you through the Maneuver portal, how you should watch all the videos. Alright, this is how your portal will look. So quantitative aptitude, speed maths videos, percentage videos, as we discussed earlier, profit and loss, ratio proportion, partnership, then ages, averages. These are the important questions which you have to watch. Alright. After then, from logical reasoning, all these topic you have to watch. All the videos are given here. Same way for current affairs, as I mentioned, every month there are 4 week current affairs, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. So within 2 days you have to finish 1 month current affairs. Alright. So those who are attempting for the Fab, so from January 2021 to Jan 2022 you should aware of. If you are writing March attempt, then Fab 2021 to Fab 2022. So 1 year current affairs ideally required, and likewise April and May attempt. And as I was talking about the handouts, just click on the handouts. All the handouts are given here. Just click on the grammar rule handouts. These are the most important rules which you can expect in the exam, so kindly go through at least 2 times all these rules. Based on these rules, you will be getting the error detection, sentence improvement and sentence correction questions. So kindly go through this PDF and watch the video also based on the grammar rule. English section, if you will go, these are the rule: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective. Okay, so rather than referring Red and Martin book, this is what the videos and the handout which are very succinct with regards to the exam, and all the rules which are mentioned in the videos and handouts, these are the rules which already came in the exam. Or if you are Maneuver live class or classroom student, then all these portal access, handouts, videos, ebooks, books, all the access will be complimentary for you. But if you are not Maneuver student, want to join us for the online program, then log on to maneuveredu.com website, buy online, go to the BBA entrance. In this you can see full course, scroll down in the last, Christ University. If you are planning to write Fab month, so round 1, then you can join this program. Immediately it will get activated and you can start your preparation. But if you want to take time for your preparation, May attempt or April attempt you are planning, then you can join this program. This will be valid till May. Apart from Christ, if you are planning to write multiple entrance, then you can join us for the silver program or the diamond programs. Also, if you don't have a book, go back, you can order the books also. Within working 7 days it will get courier to your home. And if you don't want hard copy, then you can join us for the ebooks. All these link I have mentioned in description, kindly check the description, go back. And mock test program, yeah, so topic test, as I mentioned earlier, you have to write topic test and full length mock based on the Christ University. And if you are weak in particular section, then you can join us for the sectional program, maths, logic, English, GK. These are the sectional programs. And if you want to join us for the live classes, you can contact our team on this number 8828521455. Our team will guide you. Alright, so all the link with regards to online program, books, mock test, I have mentioned in description. Kindly check the description. So to join us for the 2022 or 2023, both the year batches we have launched, you can contact our team on this number. Whichever exam you are targeting for, Christ, NPAT for NMIMS, IP MAT examination, CU, CET, Symbiosis, Set General, or any other entrance examination. And for classroom coaching at Mumbai, Borivali, Vasai and Daza, these are the respective number. And do connect us on social media, guys. Separate YouTube channel which is nothing but Maneuver BBA entrance. With regards to the specific BBA related videos will be coming on this channel, so get connected with this channel. And also do follow our social media handle, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, to get exam update notification. So all the link, once again, I have mentioned in description. Kindly check the description. Also, there will be more videos coming up with regards to the Christ University. So do subscribe the channel. All the very best. Thank you.